Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can pick up freelance work online. With the rise of the gig economy, freelancing has become a popular way to make money, and the internet has made it easier than ever to find work and grow your business. 1. Understanding the basics of freelancing. 2. Building your portfolio. 3. Finding freelance work. 4. Networking with other freelancers. 5. Managing your finances. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding the basics of freelancing. Before you start looking for freelance work, you need to understand the basics of freelancing. You need to know what skills you have that can be marketable, what you enjoy doing, and what you're good at. This will help you to focus your search and find the right projects. 2. Building your portfolio. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to build your portfolio. This is where you showcase your work and demonstrate your skills to potential clients. Your portfolio should include samples of your work, testimonials from clients, and a clear description of what you can offer. 3. Finding freelance work. There are many websites that you can use to find freelance work. Some popular options include Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms allow you to browse through projects and submit proposals for the ones that interest you. You can also join online communities, attend events and webinars, and network with other freelancers to find work. 4. Networking with other freelancers. Networking with other freelancers is a great way to find new projects, learn new skills, and grow your business. Attend events, join online communities, and connect with other freelancers on LinkedIn or other social media platforms. 5. Managing your finances. Finally, it's important to manage your finances as a freelancer. Keep track of your income and expenses, and make sure you set aside enough money to pay your taxes. You may also want to consider setting up a separate bank account for your freelance business to keep your finances organized. So there you have it, the key steps to pick up freelance work online. Remember, it takes time and effort to build your freelance business, but with persistence and hard work, you can turn your skills into a successful and fulfilling career. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.